In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add a button to Godaddy website. To get started, log into your Godaddy account. Once you are signed in, go to the Websites Plus Marketing section. This is where you can manage and edit your site. Find the website project you want to work on, then click Manage next to it. That will take you to the settings and editing area for that specific website. From there, click Edit Website to open your website workspace. This is the main editor where you can make visual changes to your site layout and content. Give it a moment to load fully so you can see the page elements clearly. Once you are inside the editor, click directly on the action button that appears on your screen. When you select it, a settings panel will open on the right side of the window. This panel is where you control how the button looks and what it does. If you do not see the panel right away, make sure you clicked on the button itself and not another section of the page. In the settings panel, look for the Show Action Button option and switch it on. This makes the button visible on your website. If the button was previously hidden, turning this on will allow visitors to see and use it. Next, update the text in the button label field. This is the wording that appears on the button, so choose something short and clear that tells visitors what to expect. For example, the label should match the action you want people to take, such as learning more, contacting you, or visiting another page. Keep the wording simple so it is easy to understand at a glance. After that, click the link to drop-down menu. This is where you choose where the button will send people when they click it. Select the destination that fits your goal. This could be another page on your site or another supported link option available in the editor. Make sure the selected destination is correct before moving on, since this determines where your visitors will go. When everything looks good, click Publish in the top right corner. Publishing pushes your changes live, so your new button becomes visible on the public version of your website. If you skip this part, the button may appear in the editor but not on the live site. That covers everything you need to know.